Well, hello, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back. Jiu-Jitsu 2000 here today. I'm back. I hope you guys are doing fantastic out there. In this video today, we're going to talk about this tiny house, and we're going to talk about power tool batteries. Now, as you know, I built this tiny house, Gene and I did, up here on our mountain property. And we used DEWALT power tools to build this house. We used a lot of genuine DEWALT batteries, and we used some knockoff or counterfeit batteries, and they all worked good. But I do have 3 batteries here that are bad. Unfortunately, I left them out on the table. It rained and all 3 of these are dead. They won't charge, they won't discharge, they won't do anything. So in this video today, we're going to talk about replacing these with some knockoff batteries. Now, I'm not new to knockoff batteries. I've used them quite a bit. In fact, this one is a knockoff. The only reason it failed is because it was left in the rain. I have another one just like it that works fine. This one is good. You can see the thing there. And this one, it shows 1 bar. You'll put it on the charger, it'll go and go and go, and then it'll tell you that it's done. You'll pull it off, nothing. So let's take a look at these other batteries, and hopefully you'll enjoy this. Now, this battery is good. This one, you can see I've scratched an X on the top of it. That's because that one's bad. I can put this good one in the tool. This is a knockoff flex volt. Works great. But when I put the other one in, even though it has supposedly 1 bar, nothing happens. So that one's bad due to operator error. This 4 amp, nothing. The button doesn't do anything. I put it in, nothing. This battery is also bad. And this other 4 amp battery, same thing. Nothing on the gauge. Put it in the tool, nothing happens. So these 3 are going to get replaced today. Let me show you what I've got. And I've been hanging on to these for quite some time, to be honest with you. Here's the first batch of batteries. These are knockoff batteries. This is what they look like. And the cool thing about these batteries is they use a standard DEWALT charger. This one already says it has 2 bars. I do like to charge them before I use them. But let's see what happens here. Boom. So now this says 6 amp hour all over it. To be honest with you, it gets probably about half of what it's rated at. So you can see I've got it on the charger and it's charging. When that light goes solid, charging will be complete. So these are the first ones that I ordered. And I have others that are knockoffs. I just don't have them up here. And I've had good luck with them. These ones are the same ones. I think the other ones that I have are 8 amp hour. So they run about like, maybe about like a 4 amp hour battery. And I've had good luck with them. They run good. Even in the drill. Take this little one out, which is about a 2 amp battery. So this is probably, I'd say about 3 or 4 amp battery. So that works. And the next one I want to show you is this one. I got a package of 4. And these are also knockoff batteries. They're very inexpensive. Take a look at this one. As you can see, you can put it on the charger, and they look very similar to your standard batteries, but there's no way they're 8 amp hour. You're probably getting about 4 amp hour or something out of these, but they work good. And lastly, I want to talk about this one with the little X on it that's bad. This was supposedly a 9 amp hour battery. You can see the label is very discolored because I left it out in the sun and the rain. This one was left inside. These are the same manufacturer. This one is still good, but it says 9 amp hour, but honestly it runs about like the 6 amp hour flex volt. It's about the same size. It looks similar, and it runs about the same amount of time as this 6 amp, this genuine battery. So that's pretty cool. So that's what's in this box here. Now I don't expect these to compete 100% on par with the, you know, the flex volts, but they do work pretty good for what they are. So this one supposedly is a 12 amp battery. It's not much bigger, so I'm gonna guess that it's probably another 6. Probably works pretty good. And let's see what'll happen here. Will it go on the charger? Yes, it will. So that's my story with these batteries. This is the 8 amp battery, standard 20 volt battery for DEWALT tools. Again, not to reiterate, but they're not going to stack up with, you know, the original DEWALT batteries. But you're paying a fraction of the price, and you're getting something that will work in your tools, and you save a lot of money. I like these batteries. I've been using them a lot, and I don't have too many problems with them. They generally work pretty good for the most part. So these bad ones, they do have a trick where you can jump start them by taking one that's fully charged, putting the positive and the negative together, and then kind of jumping the other one. I've tried that, and these 3 did not come back to life, where normally that'll bring a battery back to life, but these 3 are officially dead. So look at how close these resemble the actual DEWALT flex volt. This one on the left, supposedly a 9 amp, it runs about like this 6. So it's kind of funny how close they can get to making them look the same. And it does work good in the flex volt tools as well as the 20 volt lineup. Now this next one, they put a bold claim of 12 amp hour, but there's no way, because the 9 amp real flex volt, which I don't have up here right now, it's bigger than this one. So I'm guessing that this battery on the left is going to run about the same as this one. These 2 are probably going to be about the same, even though it says 12 and this says 9. That's just marketing. It's false advertisement, because there's no way that's a 12 amp hour battery. So I'm expecting these new ones to run about like this one, because this old one, it works good. I'd say it's a 6. Okay, looks like we have a battery charged right there, and we're going to put on this 12 amp here, get it started, and let's take a look at this battery. This is their little 8 amp knockoff. Put that in the saw. Oh yeah, let's take a look and see how it does. Looks like plenty of power to me. Got a nice clean cut there, so not bad. Okay, looks like our 12 amp hour battery is ready. So we'll put that in the saw and see how it does. Let's go cut a piece of wood. We'll put another battery on the charger here. Very nice, clean cut. Look at that. Working well. Okay, looks like we have another battery ready. This happens to be one of the little 6 amp knockoffs. We'll go ahead and put the other one on the charger. Get that started. See how this sounds in the saw. They fit in very good, just like a regular battery. Yep, sounds good. Let's go cut some wood. No problem. Nice clean cut. Looks like they're doing good. Now I know what some of you might be thinking right now. You might be thinking, well, we want to see a run test. We want to see how many cuts you can get out of that saw on a single battery charge. And honestly, I'm not going to do that in this video. The batteries run good. I've been using these knockoff batteries for a long time. And trust me when I say they work good. So you can take that or leave it, but I'm not gonna dull my blade and everything else just to show how many cuts. But I can tell you that they fall a little bit below their counterpart, you know, the official genuine battery from DEWALT, but the performance in the sense of how the tool performs power-wise and stuff is the same. The runtime is less, but they're good batteries. So I hope that helps somebody out there, but that's the flat out truth. So with all that being said, folks, I want to say thank you for joining me once again on this video here today, taking a look at these knockoff DEWALT power tool batteries. I personally like them. They're a fraction of the price. They work about half as good as the original. The performance as far as power in your tool and stuff is great. It's the runtime that's about half the performance, but they're fantastic for me because I can take one, put it on the charger, be using the saw. I built this whole house and a lot of it was with those knockoff batteries. So with all that being said, thank you again for watching. I'll put links down below in the description box. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to leave your comments down below, like this video, share this video, and until next time, have a beautiful day. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.